Have you ever wondered how Elon Musk can disrupt entire industries, how scientists make groundbreaking discoveries, or how the world's best problem solvers think differently? The answer lies in first principles thinking, a powerful mental model that helps you break down complex problems, remove assumptions, and create innovative solutions from scratch. In this video, I'll break down what first principles thinking is, how it's different from conventional thinking, and, most importantly, how you can use it in your daily life to think smarter and make better decisions. Stay till the end because I'll share a simple, step-by-step process to train your brain to think like a true innovator. Most people think through analogy, meaning they solve problems by comparing them to things they already know. They assume that if something has been done a certain way for a long time, it must be the right way. But first principles thinking forces you to strip away all assumptions and get down to the fundamental truths before building a solution from the ground up. A famous example of this is how Elon Musk approached the problem of expensive rockets. Before SpaceX, the aerospace industry had always assumed that rockets had to be single-use and that their manufacturing cost was inherently high. Most companies accepted this as fact and designed their business models around it. However, Musk broke the problem down into first principles. He analyzed the raw materials required to build a rocket: aluminum, titanium, copper, and carbon fiber. When he calculated their market prices, he realized that the cost of these materials was only a fraction of the price of a traditionally manufactured rocket. The high costs were due to inefficient design and manufacturing processes rather than an unavoidable reality. By focusing on reusability and optimizing the production process, SpaceX was able to build rockets at a much lower cost, fundamentally changing the economics of space travel. This approach is radically different from how most people think. Analogy thinking relies on past experiences and widely accepted norms, leading to incremental improvements at best. First principles thinking, however, focuses on breaking down a problem into its fundamental components and then reconstructing it in an entirely new way. The Wright brothers used this approach when they invented the airplane. At the time, people assumed that human flight was impossible because all previous attempts had failed. Instead of copying failed designs, the Wright brothers studied the principles of lift, drag, and propulsion. By isolating these fundamental forces and testing different wing shapes, they eventually developed the first successful flying machine. Had they relied on analogy thinking, they might have simply tried to improve previous failed designs rather than developing something entirely new. This way of thinking is not limited to science and engineering, it applies to everyday life as well. Take learning a new skill, for example. Many people assume that mastering a skill takes years. However, if you break the process down into first principles, you might find that only a few key elements contribute to rapid improvement. In language learning, for instance, traditional methods focus on grammar rules, extensive vocabulary lists, and formal study. A first principles approach would instead identify the most frequently used words and sentence structures and prioritize those, allowing you to communicate effectively much faster. Businesses that disrupt industries often use this approach as well. Before Airbnb, the hospitality industry was dominated by hotels. The assumption was that travelers needed a hotel to find a comfortable place to stay. Airbnb challenged this assumption by breaking the problem down into its fundamentals. Travelers simply needed a safe, convenient, and affordable place to stay. By removing unnecessary elements, like the need to own physical hotel buildings, Airbnb created a peer-to-peer platform that disrupted the entire industry. To start applying first principles thinking in daily life, begin by identifying your assumptions. Whenever you approach a problem, ask yourself, what do I believe to be true about this situation? Are these assumptions based on evidence, or are they just commonly accepted norms? Challenge these assumptions by asking, is this really the only way to do things? Next, break the problem down into its fundamental components. What are the absolute necessities versus what has been added on over time? Once you have identified the core elements, rebuild your solution from scratch using only the fundamental truths you've uncovered. For example, if you want to become healthier, you might assume that you need to join a gym. But if you break the problem down into first principles, you'll realize that what you actually need is regular exercise, which can be achieved through bodyweight exercises at home, outdoor running, or even simple daily movement. Practicing this way of thinking regularly will train your brain to think differently. Instead of accepting things as they are, you'll develop the ability to see new possibilities and creative solutions to problems. Apply this thinking in work, learning, business, and everyday decision-making to develop smarter solutions and make better choices. First principles thinking isn't just for entrepreneurs and scientists, it's for anyone who wants to solve problems better, think creatively, and make smarter decisions. Now it's your turn. Drop a comment below. What's one problem you've been struggling with that could use first principles thinking? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep thinking content like this.